AI has been making amazing strides in recent years, and it's easy to see why some people are concerned that it could eventually surpass human intelligence. After all, machines are already better than us at many tasks, such as playing chess. But there are also reasons to be optimistic. Humans have a number of strengths that AI doesn't, such as creativity, empathy, and common sense. And as AI becomes more powerful, we'll need to find ways to work with it rather than against it. So what does the future hold? Can humans outsmart AI in the future? There are a few different ways to think about this question. One way is to focus on raw computational power. In this sense, AI is already on track to surpass human intelligence. Machines are already capable of processing information much faster than humans, and this gap is only going to widen in the future. However, there's more to intelligence than just raw computational power. Humans also have a number of other cognitive abilities that are essential for intelligence, such as creativity, empathy, and common sense. These are the kinds of abilities that are difficult to replicate in machines, and they may give humans an edge in the long. Another way to think about this question is to focus on the goals of AI. Some people believe that AI will eventually become self-aware and develop its own goals. If this happens, it's possible that AI could become a threat to humanity. However, it's also possible that AI will remain aligned with human goals. In this case, AI could be a powerful tool for solving some of the world's most pressing problems. So, can humans outsmart AI in the future? It's impossible to say for sure, but one thing is for sure: the future of AI is going to be shaped by the choices we make today. If we want to ensure that AI is used for good, we need to start thinking about how to work with it rather than against it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out my other videos on AI and technology.